Hello, friends. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Waliuddin, and my friend is Ruben Rizky. We will explain how Microsoft Defender investigates incidents. First of all, Microsoft Defender is a part of Microsoft that will protect your device, such as computers, laptops, cell phones, and so on, from dangerous virus attacks. It runs continuously on your system and will send alerts if an attack is coming. Without further ado, let's discuss it. Oh yes, before that we would like to inform you that most of this content was inspired by our brother with the same content. You can see it more clearly from the following YouTube link. Here is the link. We can see here, after accessing the security portal, users can select an incident for analysis, which is presented through the Key Attack Stories feature. This feature is designed to facilitate rapid attack review, investigation, and remediation by providing a visualization of the full scope of an attack. Graphs in a text story use symbols to represent relationships between entities. Strike line indicate communication between device or external resource. For example, here is a desktop Juicy communicating with github.com, while dots lines indicates the entity's association with an affected file. Alongside these visualizations, incident details provides key administrative data, including incident ID, assignment, classification, and first and last activity times. A text story also presents a narrative of the alerts that make up the incident, including confirmation of prevention success. For example, malware prevented, highlighting how the alerts are closely related to the incident under investigation. So next we will discuss for alert. Once an incident is identified, the next step is to manage and investigate the alerts that make up the incident. Alerts are collected from various sources within the integrated security ecosystem, including identity, endpoint, Office 365, and cloud apps. These signals are consolidated into a single incident, with an example alert being ransomware was prevented. Once an alert is logged, users can click on it to access its details page, alert page, which provides various options for managing the alert, assigning ownership, and viewing details of the alert's classification, category, and ID. After reviewing the details and status of the alert, the investigation process then progresses to analyzing the affected assets associated with the alert.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ruben. I'm from group 2 and I think next I will you ask discussion about the asset ons and the art. This classes finds the next step in the analysis to effective access, and which prompts and the ability to view and manage all assets involved the insight in the on central location assets as associated with indexed are present and several categories and device and just as desktop, which is so the device and directive in float in or the sure of the tag user with identif and list of user identif as begins associated with the inside and mailbox, which is include all mailbox associate with the intent and apps with display a list and application in the identif as the part of the insert. This detail access information assure at the all it is informed in the inside are clear present facilitating comprehensive remediation action and investigation. And we will us discuss about investigation. The next step in indicating relation is to review the list of automated investigation performed by the system. Once and the invitation is clicked, the user can access the invitation section, which display a list of the automated investigation the system has run. This investigations display the investigation status from explains remainder identic then remainder action was successful. This detail also show the service, the performance, then the detection shows as Microsoft Defender in antivirus identifying to share of the signal during the automated response. And 6 and evidence and response. So here you can see evidence the response, the evidence and response section present in detail data how the attack affect the system, focusing in the entity sought as the file URL and process and IP address. Exception with these entities are classified by three status and malicious superstitious are clean for explain. The system mega flag and species the with about malicious and suspicious fair things in indection. The entity classifications the section display detail of the remainder taken sought as threats. The time is also referred to show the evolution of the attack for explains activity starting with access to specific URL and job URL on April 3 2015 and following the file download attempt we the system then successfully present to file from being executed. And summary, we next one we will discussion for the summary. The in-depth summary is a critical component. The profits quick contextual access to all crucial information related to the insight. We use access in insight to summary immediately display. Compromise in information include the all category and incident scope specific identifying identifying which assets and device we affect. The summary also provides and detail about the association identities as a list involved file and other types. Overall, the summary brings together all key information in one place, assuring security teams can efficiently understand and respond to each context. Thank you. See you and thank you.